Welcome back to this channel. We are looking at exponents, and I will give you so many examples today concerning the exponents, where there is a power of 0, where there is a power of 2 and it is a base number of 10, and the other numbers. Let's start with this one, 5 and 2. So we call this the base. 5 we call it the base, and 2 is the exponent or the power. But what does this mean? It means that you have two 5s. This means 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Most students are confused and they say this is 5 times 2. It's not 5 times 2. It is 5 times 5. There are two 5s. Let's get another example here. We have 2 power 5. This is not 2 times 5, but it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times. So this one is going to give us which answer? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 2's. So this is 4 times 4 times 2. That is 16 times 2, which means that our final answer is going to be 32. So let's look at another example. As I promised you, a power of 10, or a base that is 10 and a power. Now in this case, this means that we are going to take 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one, to solve it, is very simple. You just write 1 and 5 zeros. They are already given to you here. You write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then place your comma. That is what 10 power 5 means. If you have 10 power 2, it will be the same. 10 power 2 will be the same. That means you have two 10s. It's not 10 times 2, but it is 10 times 10. So you take 10 times 10, which will give you, write 1 and then put these 2 zeros. That is going to give us 100. So we can again go back to 7 power 3. This is not now a base 10 number. So this means that you have 7 times 7 times 7, which will give us the answer as 7 times 7, that is 49. Then 49 times 7. We'll get our answer. We can multiply it here. 49 times 7. This is 63. And this is 28 plus 4. That is 34. So our answer will be 343. Then we also have other examples, as I had promised you to show you. Like if we have 1 power 8, this means we are going to multiply 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 8 times. 1 times 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 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means this answer is going to change. It will still be 1. So 1 power any number is 1. And another secret of powers is that any number power 0 is 1. So 5 power 0 is equal to 1. We take 10 power 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 0 is equal to 1. So any number power 0 is 1. And 1 power any number is 1. So thank you. Hope to see you in the next video.